Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Midi. I'm gonna to share with you how to learn Chinese calligraphy by ourselves. If there is no Chinese calligraphy teacher next to you, at this moment you need to choose a copybook for Chinese calligraphy. It is important for you to choose a copybook that you really like. Why is that? Because learning Chinese calligraphy, it takes a long time to practice it. So if you can choose your favorite one, it can help you a lot. Actually, a copybook is just like your calligraphy teacher, because within this copybook, there are also some tutorial about some basic strokes. So it is very clearly to tell you how to write like horizontal stroke or vertical stroke. And beside some basic stroke here, they also have other characters. It can tell you the structure of characters. So how to choose a copybook? It just focus on which one you like. If you like regular scripts, you can choose it. If you like Nishu, you also can choose it. It is important for you to choose the script that you really like, so that you have motivation to continue to study it. And after this copybook, you need tools, right? You need to have a brush, and ink, and paper, like this. You do not need to choose some very expensive brush and ink. All you need to do is that you're familiar with your brush. That's okay. There are two ways to use this copybook. The first way is that you print it out. And then just like this. And then you can put the rice paper directly on this copy. So you can imitate it very directly. You can write strokes on this paper directly. But this kind of copying, we do not suggest to use too much. Most of us, when we practice calligraphy, we just put this copy next to our paper, so that it will not be so limited to move your brush. For the paper, you can choose this kind of rice paper without any boxes. You also can choose paper like this. There are many boxes here, so that you can copy strokes like this. This box can limit your strokes length, and you can control it more easily. You also can use these boxes for practicing characters like this. So that all you need to do is that you put the copy next to the paper, and then you can imitate it. Why we need to imitate this copybook? Because this copybook is heritage from thousands of years from the past calligrapher. There are many calligraphers in the past ancient China, so there are also many different scripts here. Any kind of script you can choose for learning. So it is up to you. As long as you like it, that's enough. So in conclusion, learning Chinese calligraphy, you need to pay more effort into it. It cannot be so fast to learn it so quickly. You need to practice and practice and practice. And through the imitation of the copybook, it can tell you many things, just like your Chinese calligraphy teacher. It tells you how to write basic strokes and also the characters. And you also can learn more Chinese characters from those copybooks. So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please feel free to comment below. Thank you. Bye.